Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the default Winbox port on a MikroTik router to improve security. By default, Winbox uses port 8291 to connect to the MikroTik router. This means that if you don't change it, anyone can scan and find this port, increasing the risk of attacks. Now, we will proceed to change the Winbox port. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your router's security. Double-click to change the new port. Here, you just need to enter a new port number instead of the default 8291. After entering the new port, click Apply to apply the changes and OK to save them. Now, disconnect Winbox and check the results. Try reconnecting, and you will see that you cannot log in because we have changed the default port. That's it. Wish you all success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support me.